Hey guys, welcome back to LinkedIn Marketing course. In this video of LinkedIn Marketing course, we are going to talk about LinkedIn premium features, that what are the benefits or what are the features you get as a business or as an employee, right? So directly jump into my LinkedIn premium account. Let's go without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, we are into our CEO's profile, which is Mr. Hitesh Gupta, and this is the premium profile which we are going to use in this tutorial, right? Now, you might not using the premium feature or the premium plan on LinkedIn, but the thing is, if after watching this video, you might plan to subscribe for the premium plan, and you get the 1 month free feature as well, basically 1 month free plan. So you can try that how this premium goes for you, right? Because if you are an employer, if you are a business, or you are an employee, this premium plan is going to help you. There are tons of features which will help you as a business or as a employee. As you can see, this is our profile. I am clicking on the home button, and this is the premium account. And how you can recognize that this is the premium account, here you can see the logo over here, right? That says that this account has the premium badge, basically premium thing plan. But the thing is, I have subscribed to the sales navigator plan, and with sales navigator plan you already get the premium plan as well, right? But if you want to only subscribe premium plan, so you can go for that as well. But in that plan you will not get the sales navigator tool, right? And obviously this is not free. This is the thing which can be sold on a premium basis only. But the thing is, you can get the 1 month free trial in order to find out that this tool or these features are useful or not, right? Now let's see the benefits. Let's talk about the benefits of premium. Now let me click on this. Let me click on the me button, and here you'll be able to see that premium features. Let me click on this, and here you will be able to see that premium account and features. So all the premium features are mentioned over here. And here it is showing the premium member sense and the sales navigator core. So two plans are active in this account because I've purchased, basically I've subscribed to the sales navigator plan, so I got the premium plan with that. This is basically a package, right? But if you want to subscribe premium only, so that is more economical, that is more cheaper than sales navigator plan, right? Now let's talk about the benefits. So this is the sales navigator. We have already talked about this. We are not going to talk about in this particular video, right? So let's talk about further. So as you can see, follow up with uh, people, follow up with profile viewers. See who viewed your profile. Basically you can see who have viewed your profile. So this is the premium feature, and if you are on free version, you will be not able to see that who has visited your profile, right? You just get few notifications. But the thing is, you can start following up with the viewers or the people who have seen your profile, right? Who have visited your profile. So why? Now the second thing is, you can search without the limit. There is no limit of searching, right? Whether it is first degree, second degree, or third degree, you can search for your business or as an employee in order to get good opportunities, right? Now you get limitations in the free version but not on the paid version, so keep this thing in mind. There are limitations. Now let me scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that private browsing feature is also there. Because let's say if you are visiting someone else's profile and you don't want them to know that you have visited their profile, you can use this feature. Then open profile option, stay open to new opportunities with open profile, so you can set the open profile option as well. So this is also a premium feature. Then premium tips, get more out of premium with contextual tips. So you will get premium tips with the premium plan as well. So you can totally turn this option on. By default this option is turned off, but you can turn it on, right? Like this. And this is just a toggle. So I hope you got the point. Now let me scroll a little bit down, and here one more feature is also here, that job search smarter with top applicant recommendations. So obviously, as an employer, if you need good opportunities and wide number of opportunities, so you can go with this feature. Visit company insights, stay in the known with company insights, then display your premium badge. Obviously you can show or you can display your premium badge and people will get to know that you have premium account, right? Show off. Then you can prep for interview, you can prepare for interview, you can get the resume insight, you can add all the best things, all the best experience in your resume, and LinkedIn will guide you with this feature, right? Obviously this will help you. And see how you rank with application insights. So you can see that how you are ranking with application insights, right? This is also for employees. So obviously if you are looking for a job and you are looking for the best company, best organization, then these features will gonna help you to find the best opportunities, right? I hope you got the point. These are the premium features which you can subscribe to, and I've already told you that there's 1 month free plan, so you can go with that as well. Let me go to home again and let me refresh it once. And as you can see, this is the, let me click on here and let me click on profile again. Now when we are into our profile, let me scroll a little bit down. Here in the analytics section you'll be able to see profile views, and if I click on this, as you can see, again we are premium, in the premium plan, so you'll be able to see some extra details over here as well. And if I click on company, we can see the company as well. Basically we can filter out so many things over here. If I click on show more analytics, here we'll be able to see that the companies, basically this is our company, then Fiverr. So basically these are the companies or these are the organizations from where employees have or the people have seen our profile, right? So this is very crucial data. As you can see, all the premium or the popular brands are watching or are basically seeing or visiting our profile, right? Deloitte, then Fresher Job, Topmate. So these are the organizations. Let me click on done button. And why they are visiting our profile? Basically we are into the industry of digital marketing, so obviously people visit our profile, right? And you might don't know that who are visiting or which type of people are visiting your profile, so this feature can help you out in order to uh, find out that you can connect with them or not, right? So I hope you got the point that whether this feature is going to be beneficial you or benefit you or not, right? Let me click on premium features as well. Let me click on manage subscriptions. So here you can basically directly cancel the subscription after checking out the trial period. If you are not liking the premium features, you can totally cancel the subscription, right? So you don't need to worry about that the money will be deducted from your card, so you can directly switch from here or you can cancel directly from here, so you know don't need to worry about it. And LinkedIn also send you the notification before 7 days of expiring your plan, so you have 7 days to cancel the plan, right? So I hope you got the point. Now the thing is, you need to subscribe for the trial, you need to explore, you need to connect with the world of top 1% people in the world. So you can subscribe the LinkedIn premium feature, and if you don't like it, you can directly cancel it. There's no loss or there's no harm you are getting, right? So I hope you will subscribe, and I hope this video helps. Let's wrap up this video here. We'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.